Hi, I'm Sarah B, and welcome as I open my very first Nadine West bag. Nadine West is a clothing subscription company that is geared towards being highly affordable. I believe that their tagline is that none of their items are over $50, I believe, and it's in the same vein as Stitch Fix and some of these others. They cater to a large variety of sizes. They do clothes as well as accessories. You fill out a style profile, and you have space to write to your stylist and let them know what you like, what you don't like, and then they can cater towards you. So it is a $10 shipping fee. Some of the others have styling fees. This one doesn't. It has a shipping fee. It's $10. But just like the other companies, that $10 then gets credited to whatever you choose to keep. I have a link in the description below and a referral code that if you decide to try it, I will get a free pair of earrings, and so will you. And your first box, your first bag is free. They always come in these rather hard to miss pink bags, and that is what they're kind of known for. I'm looking forward to getting into this, so let's get started. Now, I do know from watching other videos that this bag is what you ship what you don't want back in, so take care when opening it. Appears to be one item in this. A couple of things in this. And this is the return label that you stick right back on the bag. And it tells you what everything is, how much it costs. And nothing is over, the most expensive item is $31, which is significantly different from the last, now I'm just being nosy, from the last box I opened of this type of service. Anyway, here we go. Oh, this pink. I'm not really a pink gal, but we'll go with it. We'll see what we can do. Goodness. So the first item is a scarf. A huge blue scarf. It's a dark navy blue with a white like pinstriping that goes through it. It's pretty widely spaced. It's very nice. I love a good scarf. Who doesn't love a nice scarf? It's kind of like a denim blue. I really enjoy this. Alright, not a bad way to start. And then this, ooh, there's some jewelry in here. Goodness. And a dress. Oh my goodness. From Zenana Outfitters? Zenana. A plum dress. Color is not coming through because my setup is still bad. I'm really sorry. But a plum t-shirt material jersey. It has pockets! It's a dress with pockets! Okay. I'll definitely be trying that on in just a minute. And as for the jewelry is hard for me. I desperately need jewelry. It's a bracelet, an arrow. It's very in right now, isn't it? And a bracelet that fits me. All right, that is lovely. These earrings are also lovely. I'm not sure if they're quite me. They are large hoops. See, they're silver, they're light, which is nice in that they're not gonna like pull heavily on your ears. They're a little bit bigger than anything I would usually wear. Might be way too tempting for my daughter to yank on, but we shall see. All right, let's see what else we have. Bundle number 2. More jewelry! Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in this. And a hooded shirt. Plain, not patterned, gray hooded shirt with a pocket. This is looking very appealing. By Popular 21. All right. It's intriguing. There's another pair of earrings. Doesn't have brand. Cute little dangles. Not in love with them, but simple enough. Nice enough, right? And what appears to be a very chunky necklace. Oh my gosh. The stones are black, actually. I can see why they would send this, because I'm sure most people would find that it would look very flattering to have such a statement piece with the dress in particular. But I'm going to try it on. So I will be right back. So here's the hooded shirt. It's just like a dark heather gray with a hood. I love hoods. And a drawstring and a pocket. And it's really long. Like, really long. I don't think it's intended to be a dress by any means. But it's like long and comfy and really lovely. And it's like a t-shirt. It's not a sweatshirt material by any means. So this over another t-shirt out on a walk with the kids would be perfect on a spring day, which hopefully here in the Northeast we will be getting to shortly. But I really like this. All right, it's going to depend on how much it costs, but off to a fantastic start. So this is the dress in plum. It's really comfy. I'm not sure about the color. I am very red-faced just generally, so I tend to stay away from any kind of reds, purplies that may make me even more red-faced than what I typically am. I might make an exception. It's not at all fitted, you can see, but the pockets are really nice. If I find like a nice belt or something, maybe it would work. It feels a little tent-like now, but I'm sure I can find a way to not have it be that way, if that makes sense. All right, let's get dressed and talk about all of this and see how much everything costs. All right, now let's see how this all adds up. I got 7 pieces in my first bag from Nadine West, and I think that's pretty great. I think 7 is the most that they will send you at a time. I'm a little bummed that 4 of the 7 pieces was jewelry, and then a scarf. So only 2 items of clothing to try on. But it's my first bag, so I'm okay with that for now. So we'll see. Let's look at how much everything costs. The top is called Janelle in gray. The wonderfully cozy hoodie with the front pocket is the most expensive. It's $31, $30.99. The dress is called Julianne in plum is $21. $21 for a cozy dress with pockets? I can get behind that. The Dazzle Drops earrings, which I'm assuming are these, $10. Vanessa earrings, which must be these, are $14. The necklace, called Ivy, is $25. Really? Okay. And the arrow bracelet, it's called Protector. It's $8.50. And the scarf, Charity in blue, is $17. You guys, I'm really torn. So I really need professional wear. Like, I'm legit going to this conference. And I need some nice clothes to wear so I don't look like the yoga pant wearing work at home mom that I actually am. I just don't know what to do. I love the hoodie. I don't need the hoodie. I like the dress. Don't love it. But the dress would be more useful. Meanwhile, I'm going to be dreaming about this scarf, if only because I'm just a total sucker for scarves and other accessories that I don't need. If I were to purchase everything in the bag, the total would be $130. I think that's pretty amazing. Again, a little bummed about all the jewelry and not as much clothing. Looking forward to giving some good feedback and getting another bag shortly. So with Nadine West, you can either sign up for every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks. And right now I'm on the every 2 week plan because this conference is coming up and I need lots of options thrown at me quickly. So, yeah, we'll see what the next bag brings. But first bag, not so bad. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should keep. If I could pull off these earrings, I don't know if I can. Like other subscription boxes, you only have a couple of days before you have to turn around and send back what you don't want. So let me know, and I would appreciate your feedback. Thanks for joining me, as always. Join me again, I hope, for other box openings and tryings-ons and some crafty stuff too when I finally get my act together. But yeah, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.